Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for being here. Today, just a quick Fabfitfun. I have my add-ons from the add-on sale and a mystery bundle, so let's get into it. If you're new to Fabfitfun, it is a lifestyle box. We get it 4 seasons of the year. I will put all of the information for it down below. This is the fall 2023 box. It is still available. Those of us who are annuals have started receiving our boxes. Seasonals will start receiving theirs soon. And I'm sure you can still sign up and get it if you have any interest. I will put the link below. It will get you $10 off your first box. Okay, I did not do nearly as much from the add-on sales as I usually do. I just picked up a couple of things. I don't know, I said this with my Fabfitfun box too. I don't know if there are fewer things that are speaking to me in the sales or if I'm just getting full and I'm just choosing fewer things. One of the things that I did decide to get, and only because I went whizzing by it, and when I did my scroll through videos, somebody mentioned below, oh my goodness, the Fabfitfun body wash smells amazing. And it was like $4.99. So I went ahead and put it in my cart. And then on a final scroll through, just to make sure that I had picked up anything that I wanted, I found that there was a body lotion too. And I thought, well, if it smells good, I might want the body lotion. So I picked up both the Fabfitfun, and it's just Fabfitfun brand. I don't know who makes it for them, but just Fabfitfun body wash and body lotion. Those are really hard to show. But let's see what they smell like. That's what I've been most anxious to find out. Oh, it does smell nice. What is that? It does smell really good. Oh, blowing bubbles. Wonder how big, oh, another bubble. Can you guys see the bubbles in the bubbles? Oh, well, anyway, not the point. Yeah, that smells really good. You're right. Let's see what the lotion smells like. Does the lotion smell the same? Oh, it's very lotiony. As opposed to creamy. It came out very easily. Oh, it smells just 7-Up. It's got that fizzy lemon lime citrus scent. I don't remember what it said the scent was, but that's what it is now that I'm doing this and I have a lot of it out. It's kind of 7-Up-y. Just kind of that, like I said, lemon lime. I like it. That's real light. It'll be perfect for here we are at the end of summer. I don't know that it's enough for me into fall and winter, but we will see. I'll leave it on. We'll see how it absorbs. It feels like it's going to absorb really well, and then we'll see if I feel like I stay hydrated. I chose those, and also because I'm going back into my diffusing life. I used to diffuse instead of using candles all the time. That's never gonna change. Sometimes I just feel like I wanna diffuse, and I know that I diffuse more in the fall and the winter because I feel like I'm also adding humidity to the air, and I feel like that's a great thing. Anyway, I just bought a brand new diffuser from Amazon. I'll show you guys that probably over on Insta soon, but these are essential oils. Are they essential oils? Yes, a blend of 100% pure essential and natural oils. And there's 5 bottles. And the scents spoke to me. So I was like, yes, thank you. I would like that. But also, and I've put the link down in my description thing that I put underneath all of my videos for Magic Candle Company. You guys know, I'm a Disney girl. We love our Disney trips. We loved it with our daughter. Now we love it with the grandkids. We're just Disney people. And you know, you go on to Pirates of the Caribbean or the Haunted Mansion, or you go into the Grand Floridian. Any of those things have such distinct scents. And the Magic Candle Company, supposedly, I have to say supposedly because I haven't received it yet, their candles and oils, they have oils also, smell just like those places. And the thought of that makes me so happy. So I bought the diffuser, I've ordered the oils, I applied to be an affiliate and they said yes, absolutely, so I have a 15% discount. I'm not really talking about it yet because like I said, I haven't even gotten the oils, but I can't wait. Oh my gosh, I can't wait. Anyway, back to these oils. I have pumpkin, vanilla, apple, orange, and cinnamon. Well, let's smell at least one of them. We're gonna smell pumpkin. Just happens to be right on the end. I mean, it is the fall box. It says that the pumpkin is cinnamon leaf, clove, ginger, lime. I don't know. I can't read it all. It's very small. It's very small words. Oh, that's very nice. I think probably lean more toward pumpkin pie than pumpkin, but I have to admit, I wouldn't smell this and say pumpkin pie. Don't get me wrong. It is fall. Well, I mean, cinnamon and clove, it was gonna be deliciously fall. And it is wonderful, but I do not get pumpkin pie. It didn't say it was pumpkin pie, by the way. It says pumpkin. I mean, while we're in here, let's just go ahead and see what the apple smells like. If they lean toward apple or apple pie. I can't wait to start diffusing. Oh, that's good. Oh, apple. This one they absolutely nailed. It smells like when you walk into a boutique in fall and they're trying to make it smell like fall in there and they have a gorgeous apple scent. This is that gorgeous boutique apple scent. Oh, it smells so good. Oh, fall. I know you summer lovers are out there and I do enjoy it. I love breaking the cold of winter with a nice hot summer. Okay, I'm done. I'm ready. We can move on with cooler. I don't want to wish my life away. I don't want the time to go. I just want it to be 72 degrees in August. Is that too much to ask? That is what that looks like. I am very pleased with it. I will let you know the price down below here. I don't remember what I paid for it, but I feel like it was a good deal for oils. And my only other add-on sale product, which I do every season, is the it's $39.99 right now. The $39.99 mystery bundle. So I have managed to take this out and see that it's big and it has big things in it, but to never look at it long enough to know what any of them are. So let's start with this big thing right here. It is Beachy Waves, limited edition, almost famous. Oh my gosh. Is this like a beach waver, but the almost famous brand? That's what the box looks like. Can you guys see it? It's huge. And it just opens kind of, oh wow. Look at how gorgeous this is. This is a curling iron and I think maybe a little travel flat iron. Yeah, and a tiny little flat iron. That is very nice to have in a mystery bundle. And the packaging is, you know, kind of posh. It's very nice. It says they are in champagne and you get the 32mm clip curling wand and the 13mm mini travel straightener. I don't know what 32mm is. Is that like an inch and a half? I'll have to look that up. I could use a new curling iron. Can't you tell how much I curl my hair? Great. This is very nice to get in a mystery bundle. Okay, next out, we have a sweater of some sort. Cozy and warm. It has suggested retail of $40. It is from the brand Lemon. I'd say it's just one of those scarves that you... Yes. Oh, fall. It's very fall-like. It's very soft and it's dry, so it will go with all of the black things that I wear. This feels very nice, and I am sure either I or one of the girls will love it. Well, I have Pack-O Scrunchies. They are, oh, they're the Barefoot Dreams. Oh my gosh. These are the Barefoot Dream scrunchies that I almost bought, I think last add-on sale, the summer add-on sale. I almost bought one of these because they are the Barefoot Dreams Beach scrunchies. And when I talked about them in my scroll through, a couple of you down below said, don't buy them. Because they're not better than any other scrunchie you're ever gonna have. As a matter of fact, they don't hold their tightness. There was something else about them you guys didn't love. So I love the opportunity because I didn't get them at that point. I mean, when you guys tell me stuff, I listen. You guys said they weren't the best. I totally believe you. I took them right out of my cart. But I'm not unhappy to try them for free, and they are huge. This is, can you guys tell? I mean, with my tiny, thin little hairs, I mean, I have like, that's all my hair. That's my total ponytail. And that's it through this once. I mean, it's gonna be big. It's gonna be big. But I do love that it's Barefoot Dreams and it's in a mystery bundle. 3 of my 4 granddaughters already have more hair than me, so those will get a good home. Next out, I have, oh, Tula. It is Tula Skincare Take Care and Nourish Body. Some of the Tula has licorice root in it. Oh, wow. And this is, can you even see that? It is white on the lightest of blues. I'm gonna have to go onto their website and see what it has for ingredients in it to see if I can use it. If I can, totally will try it. This was a good mystery bundle. A curling iron, a flat iron, some Tula body lotion, a scarf, and some Barefoot Dreams scrunchies. Unscented. I would say this is completely unscented. It has no scent. It's just a nice heavy whipped. Wow, I hope I can use that. But if I can't, I will pass it along to my daughter or my mother. Somebody will enjoy the heck out of it. I think that was a fantastic mystery bundle. Just about all you can expect out of a mystery bundle. A curling iron probably covered the cost of the mystery bundle. That Tula body cream may have covered the cost of the mystery bundle. The Barefoot Dreams scrunchies and the scarf, winner. All I got for my add-ons were the Fabfitfun body wash and moisturizer and, oh, the oils. I love smelling those oils. They smell like fall already. I realized yesterday, I did this last season too, that I didn't do my scratcher at the end of my box. So let's see if I've won $10,000. Uh-oh. Scratching it too hard. I think my scratcher is taking off the actual words. It didn't really matter because I got to the bottom. It said, sorry, not a winner. I could have told you that. And it does say on the back of this comes in your box when you get your Fabfitfun box. It does say on the back of this, when you scan to go into the app to see the entire book, we didn't even get any kind of book, or I didn't. I should say I didn't get any kind of book in my box. It says enter now for a chance to win $1,000 Fabfitfun credit. Snap a pic or video of you and your Fabfitfun fall finds. Tag Fabfitfun, share on Insta, Facebook, or Twitter for a chance to win $1,000 in credit. That's worth doing. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. I hope I will see you again really soon. I have more Fabfitfun coming out. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out, and have a great evening, guys. Bye.